The AstroAI digital tire pressure gauge is one of the most popular tire pressure gauges on Amazon, and it's a very good value for the money. I was specifically looking for a digital gauge that had replaceable batteries, especially since after my previous one stopped working and it had a built-in rechargeable battery. Out of the box, you get, of course, not only the instruction manual and warranty contact support information, but also this press the valve adapter for bicycles that have the press the valve, so you can still read the pressure off those particular valves. The 2 AAA batteries required to power up this device is already installed right out of the box, so it's ready to go once you get it. Previously, AstroAI also offered another digital tire gauge that was powered by coin batteries, but as you can imagine, AAA batteries are much more accessible, not to mention they have much larger capacities, allowing for this to last a lot longer before the next battery swap. On this unit, it's super easy to access those batteries. No tools required, you just need a finger to remove that plastic battery cover. It has a single button, making it super easy to use. It's positioned very ergonomically right where your index finger would fall. Once you just click the button, it turns on, and you can see that it defaults first of all to PSI, and you're able to change the units to also bar, kilopascals, or kilograms per centimeter squared. And in the upper right corner, you can see the battery life easily as well. And if you've noticed, the display is backlit and there's a light around the nozzle, so really handy to use also in dark circumstances. It's able to measure up to 150 psi and to the 10th decimal place when measuring in psi, and to the 100th place when measuring in bar or kilograms per centimeter squared. Using it on both my car tire pressures as well as my bike tire pressures, it's quite precise once you get a good seal. You know you have a good seal when you don't hear any hissing from the air valve. You can see it shows the reading very quickly, and it'll show that number on screen for a good few seconds, so you don't have to worry about missing it, because there's currently no way to store those numbers, but again, it reads so quickly you can just retest it if you needed to. And it also has an auto shut-off feature, so if it's inactive for maybe about a minute, it will automatically shut off, but you can also force it to shut down by holding that trigger button for a few seconds. The end also has a loop if you wanted to hang it up somewhere, but when not in use, I like to store it just in the center console in my car, and I've had this for many months now, so over a course of many low temperatures and high temperatures, and I've had no issues with the functionality as a result of storing in these high fluctuating temperatures. And throughout the changing seasons, the exterior plastic feel still remained very glossy and smooth and didn't turn sticky at all, which I have experienced on other products. So if you're looking for a simple, functional, easily replaceable battery digital tire gauge, look no further. I again have the link to it in the description. Thanks for watching, and make sure to smash that like button if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more videos like this.